Dear students, good morning. Welcome to Fluid Mechanics Lab or Hydralic Lab, which belongs to Department of Civil Engineering, Annamalai University. In our department, we have two hydraulic laboratories which are located northwest direction of our campus. Let us walk through our recently established new hydraulic lab. Now we can see the whole setup of the hydraulic laboratory inside the building. These are the experimental arrangements and the classroom setup of the lab. Here the equipments are well organized. At the entrance we have do's and don'ts instruction board, rules about what should be done and what should not be done inside the lab. Notice board also available. Updated poster displayed here related to our subjects. First aid box is also available for emergency medical treatment. Totally in our laboratory we have 11 experiments which includes flow experiment as well as hydraulic machines. Let us see one by one. Now I will give short introduction about all these experiments. Let us start with the rectangular notch. Rectangular notch is a device used to measure the discharge flowing through the open channel. Next one, injury meter. This device is widely used to measure the flow rate of liquid inside a pipe. Now we are seeing friction in pipes. By measuring the pressure drop and flow rate through a pipe, an estimate of coefficient of friction will be obtained from this experiment. Next one, Orifice Meter. An Orifice Meter is a piece of equipment used to measure the flow rate of gas or liquid. In our lab, we have two separate friction in pipes experiments, so we can able to find friction factor for various diameter of pipelines. These are the experimental setup of the friction in pipes. Now we are looking at a mouthpiece. A mouthpiece is a short tube fitted to a same size circular opening provided in a tank so that fluid through it is used to measure the rate of flow of liquid. Next one, reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pump is a positive displacement pump that works in the actual displacement principle. From this we can determine efficiency of the pump. Now we are looking at a centrifugal pump. The main objective of the experiment is to obtain performance characteristics of variable speed centrifugal pump operating at different impeller speeds. This is submersible pump. Is one kind of centrifugal pump and it is fully submerged within the water. Next one, Francis turbine. Francis turbine is a type of reaction turbine. They operate in different water heads and are primarily used to electric power generation. Commonly, a turbine is a device that harnesses the kinetic energy of some fluid. Next, move on to Pelton turbine. Pelton turbine is an impulse turbine which is used to utilize the high heads for generation of electricity. These are the experimental setup of the Pelton turbine. Finally, we move on to Metacentric height. Metacentric height, this experiment is used to calculate the metacentric height of the floating body. In our laboratory, we have separate supporting staff room and a store room. So you can approach any time for any clarification and definitely you will be benefited. Thank you.